as Russia desperately tries to get better intel on the battlefield, putting up surveillance systems all over the front line. Ukraine isn't far behind destroying these to make Russia more blind again, as the Murom-P surveillance system, which gives the possibility to track both vehicle and troops at several kilometers range, also with infrared camera. But when the system is spotted, there isn't much Russia can do, as this Ukrainian drone operator encountered a system. It first turned around for a more careful hit, but seems to taunt the Russians as it flew in front of the camera, indicating the outcome without the Russian being able to stop the drone, giving a last look before destroying the system, leaving the Russian troops a little more blind, destroying another of Russia's system, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.